When I was choosing universities, I explored a couple different options, and ARU really stood out because of this course. It was really well made and I was really interested in it.
Our courses have many unique selling points. For example, it isn't just about getting a degree, it's also about getting the experience. We have live briefs that we work through all of our courses that you can work with employers directly.
As part of my course, I got to do a mock trial where I was an expert witness presenting evidence. This built on my confidence and was an amazing experience.
We have access to industry standard software such as X-Ways, Magnet and Avila.
We work in SIlicon Fen, which is in the heart of Cambridge. We work with companies at science parks such as Featurespace or MapWorks.
The lectures are all fun and engaging, and they make sure that we understand the concept before they move on to the next one.
I've had an amazing 3 years at ARU. I've spoken to everybody on my course and made friends that will be friends way after the course ends.
For anyone looking to apply, I'd say do it. It's a great course, there's tons to enjoy, and the content that you learn is not available online.